We're working to make life more affordable, deliver you the supports you need. So let's go over the 5 different benefits we're delivering this month.
First is our newest benefit, which we recently passed in the House of Commons, called the grocery rebate. If you're a family with 2 kids earning a low or modest income, you could receive over $450. That's going out on July 5th, and about 11 million Canadians will be eligible. Another one is the GST-HST credit. This is a payment that goes out tax-free to individuals and families with low and modest incomes. If you're a single Canadian, you may be eligible for up to $496 a year, with payments also going out on July 5th.
If you're a family with kids, you probably already know full well about the Canada Child Benefit, which is hundreds of dollars a month tax-free to help you with the high costs of raising children. Well, every July, that amount is adjusted based on your family income and indexed to inflation. So coming July 20th, you'll get the updated payments.
If you live in any of these provinces, you'll be receiving your summer pollution price rebate between July 14th and July 21st. It puts more money back in the pockets of families while fighting climate change and protecting our environment. And finally, payments for the Canada Pension Plan will be delivered on July 27th. If you're retired, this money is here to support you and will vary based on your previous income.
Now, that was a lot of information, and you can find out more about each of them at canada.ca/benefits. But at the end of the day, what you need to know is this.